proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
Was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System at
noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order.
Wednesday morning, weather
To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter.
Reception of this broadcast and the
This
warning
area
alarm will
includes the
vary at
following
any given
counties in the
location.
Atlanta listening
This
area.
variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of each Hinton. This includes the following Georgia counties: Baldwin, Bibb, Greene, Hancock, Henry, Jasper, Jones, Limerick, Monroe, Morgan, Newton, Oconee, Putnam, Rockdale, Tolliver, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here are the 11